Welcome to Rare Conversations, Alexion's very first National Rare Disease Policy Forum in the United States. Rare Conversations represents the participation and advice of a 9-member steering committee comprised of leaders from several community associations. There are more than 10,000 unique rare diseases. Now that's a staggering number within itself. But of those 10,000 rare diseases, 90% of them do not have an FDA-approved treatment. And on average, it takes a rare disease patient nearly 5 years and visits to at least 7 different specialists just to get a proper diagnosis. And we're not even talking about the countless misdiagnoses along the route of their journey. And that's why we've all been working so hard here to drive and shape good policies that will help meet the needs of this community.
I'm grateful for events like this. I'm grateful that industry, like you all at Alexion Rare Disease, are putting together these conversations and giving advocates like me an opportunity to share with all of you, and to share with policymakers, to share with stakeholders, to share with everyone, because people can't help if they don't understand and they don't know what the problem is. It's the first rule of thumb that I teach our advocates. It's you have to educate people, and by putting together a platform like this, you all are giving us an opportunity to educate people. So I'm very grateful for that.
We really need to understand patients' perspective on policy, and it helps refine our policy, and it also helps us with them advancing their policy. And so every day that I do get to communicate and hear their perspective, it makes me better at my job.
The power of a community is such that working together we can affect change to really benefit the collective community. And so I think it's really nice to have these types of conversations with a lot of different stakeholders present so that we are elevating the needs of the rare disease community amongst a variety of stakeholders, and we're not just speaking to ourselves.
It is so important to bring the rare disease community together because there's so many different types of issues that either the patients themselves who are living with rare disease or even the caregivers are trying to address to make their lives better and eventually find a treatment.
We are grateful to Alexion for bringing us together to ensure that this generation of rare disease patients benefit from the promise in today's pipelines.